How to get best on cloud discount promo codes. Now in this video, I'm going to be giving you out a specific website where you can actually use discount codes, voucher codes, or coupon codes for free. So the very first thing that you want to have to do before you purchase your favorite shoes on cloud, you're going to have to create a new tab on your preferred web browser. Now you're gonna have to visit a website that's gonna be called couponfollow.com, my always go-to website when it comes to discount codes. Now once you're here, all you have to do is instead of searching for on cloud, you're gonna have to search for on promo. So as you can see, there are a lot of results right here, like 20%, 10%, 5, and so on and so forth. For you to use any of these codes, just simply click this blue highlighted option that says show coupon code for you to copy the unique code and paste it into OnCloud. And that's how you get best OnCloud discount promo codes.